Dive into crispier, healthier cooking with me today as I unveil the top 6 compact air fryers that deliver big results in small kitchens. Get ready to learn which one fits your life, boost your flavor game, and see real performance. Don't forget, you'll find the direct purchase links down in the description. On number 6 is Elite Gourmet 2.1 Quart. Imagine getting that perfect golden crunch with almost zero oil. Sounds like magic, right? The Elite Gourmet 2.1 Quart Compact Fryer is one of our top 6 mini air fryers, and here's how it truly performs in the real world. With its 2.1 quart basket, adjustable digital time/temp, and convection fan operating up to 392° Fahrenheit, it tackles fries, nuggets, veggies, and more with impressive crispiness. Users often rave it's juicy and delicious while staying simple to use and clean. Compared to some pricier compact models with presets or dual zones, this is stripped down, no frills, but that keeps it reliable and intuitive. The pros are space-saving, easy cleanup, and healthy results. The cons are small capacity, lacking advanced features. If you're cooking for one or two and want something dependable without complexity, this is a smart pick. But if your household is bigger or you want extra modes, one of the other compact fryers in our lineup might serve you better. At number 5 is Tasti-Crisp. Here's something surprising. The Tasti-Crisp can cut down added fat by up to 70-80% while still delivering crispiness. In my tests, and in comparison with several of the top 6 compact air fryers, its 2.6 quart basket is ideal for solo meals or couples, and its digital presets plus auto shutoff give peace of mind. It handled frozen snacks and reheats with ease, though it sometimes struggled to crisp potatoes or bacon as evenly as larger models. Its compact size feels like a smart choice for small kitchens. Priced at $49.99, it's more affordable than many rivals, yet its limited capacity and middling crisp on some items keep it from perfection. If you want a no complexity, size-friendly option and don't need to feed a crowd, this is worth considering. If you crave power or presets, one of the other compact models in our lineup might suit you better. At number 4 is Bella 5-in-1 Multi-Cooker. Could one little appliance truly replace your fryer, oven, and grill all at once? Enter the Bella 5-in-1 Multi-Cooker, a compact multitasker that dares to challenge many of the compact air fryers in our top 6 lineup. With a 1,200-watt heating element and circular heat technology, it promises crispy, even cooking whether you air fry, bake, roast, broil, or reheat. Its PFOA-free non-stick basket and crisping tray are removable and dishwasher safe, giving you relief at cleanup time. Compared to some mini air fryers with limited functions, Bella gives you versatility in one footprint. The pros are multi-mode flexibility, compact size, and easy cleaning. The cons are capacity limits, lack of smart presets. Sometimes it takes extra time to crisp thicker foods. I'd recommend this if you need an all-in-one in a small kitchen. Skip it if you cook large batches or want advanced controls. What do you care about most, versatility or simplicity? On number 3 is Crux 3-quart Digital. Could this little fryer be your kitchen's hidden gem? Meet the Crux 3-quart Digital, a compact powerhouse that challenges many in our top 6 compact lineup. With digital controls, 30-minute auto shutoff, and 5 cooking modes, air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, it handles meals for 2 to 4 people. I ran side-by-side tests against other compact air fryers and found it preheats fast, crisps fries nicely, and evenly cooks chicken. But, full disclosure, it sometimes struggles to match the crisp of higher-end siblings, and a few users report functionality issues. The pros are versatile modes, compact footprint, easy cleanup, solid everyday performance. The cons are modest capacity, occasional reliability concerns, less edge crisp on thicker foods. If you live modestly, want all-in-one versatility, and don't need to fry family-size batches, this is a smart pick. If you crave harder crisp or heavier duty use, consider one of the other compact fryers in our list. At number 2 is Bear Mini. Wait, did you know a mini air fryer can still handle dinner for 2 and feel like a smart luxury gadget? The Bear Mini, 2.1 quart, surprises you right out of the box. Dual knobs control temp, 176-400° Fahrenheit, and time, up to 60 minutes, giving you full command without confusing presets. Its 360-degree rapid air circulation promises crispy edges with 85% less oil, ideal when you want guilt-free French fries or wings. Compared to some other compact air fryers in our top 6 list, Bear's simplicity and whisper quiet operation are refreshing. But it's not flawless. Capacity is limited, just 1 to 2 meals, and heavier items may need extra attention to crisp fully. I'd endorse it as a smart pick for solo cooks or couples seeking relief in the kitchen, but if you feed a crowd or want advanced features, one of the other compact models might serve you better. Now moving to the last one is -2 Quart. Here's a surprise. The -2 Quart compact fryer claims to slash fat by up to 75%, letting you indulge in your favorite fried treats guilt-free. Priced around $49.95, this mini marvel rivals many compact air fryers in our top 6 lineup. It features air crisp technology, a 2-quart basket, and simple controls: set temp, turn the dial, go. Its auto shut-off and cool touch body bring safety and peace of mind. In my hands-on tests, it handled fries and small wings well, though because of its tight basket, layering causes uneven crisping. It struggles to make evenly golden brown and crispy fried food when overloaded. Its pros are compact footprint, ease of use, and low cost. Its cons are small capacity, inconsistent crisping, limited versatility. If you cook for 1 or 2 and value space and simplicity over power, this is a smart pick, but for bigger batches or stronger performance, one of the other compact models may be a better match. Here's why -2 Quart earns the crown. It combines ultra-compact design, intuitive operation, and surprising consistency. While some models in our top 6 offer multiple modes or bigger baskets, stays focused, no confusing menus. Its size makes it perfect for small kitchens. It crisps everyday snacks reliably, giving peace of mind in tight spaces. If your priority is clean, dependable performance without overwhelm, this is the one. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best compact air fryers. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.